including those who rely on Social Security benefits. As a result, there have been calls for additional economic relief, including a fourth stimulus check for those receiving Supplemental Security Income (SSI). In this video, we'll provide an update on the status of a fourth stimulus check for SSI recipients and what you can expect in terms of eligibility and payment. Firstly, it's important to note that there has been no official announcement regarding a fourth stimulus check. However, lawmakers and advocacy groups have been calling for additional economic relief to be provided to Americans, including those who receive SSI. Currently, there are several bills being proposed in Congress that include provisions for a fourth stimulus check. However, it's unclear if any of these bills will be passed into law, and if so, what the eligibility requirements and payment amounts will be. If a fourth stimulus check is approved, it's possible that SSI recipients may be eligible to receive the payment, as they were for previous stimulus checks. However, eligibility requirements may differ depending on the specific bill that is passed. According to a recent report, some members of Congress have proposed a bill that would provide $1,400 stimulus checks to eligible Americans. If this bill is approved, it's possible that SSI recipients may be eligible to receive the payment as long as they meet certain income requirements. However, it's important to note that this timeline and eligibility requirements are not guaranteed, as the process of passing legislation and distributing payments can be complex and time-consuming. So, if you're an SSI recipient who may be eligible for a fourth stimulus check, what can you do to prepare? Firstly, it's important to make sure that your contact and banking information is up to date with the government. You can do this by visiting the Social Security Administration website and entering your information into the My Social Security tool. This will allow you to check the status of any stimulus payments that may be coming your way and ensure that your contact and banking information is correct. It's also important to be wary of scams, as fraudsters may try to take advantage of the situation by sending phishing emails or making fraudulent phone calls. The government will never ask you to provide personal information or payment to receive a stimulus check, so be cautious of any unsolicited requests for money or personal information. In conclusion, while there's no official announcement regarding a fourth stimulus check for SSI recipients, it's possible that one may be approved in the future. If you're an SSI recipient who may be eligible for a stimulus check, it's important to make sure that your contact and banking information is up to date and to be cautious of scams.